Let us ask the Spirit of Christ to be with us so that we can do all things through Him who strengthens us. Yes, it is good to seek happiness, but it is better that we should be at peace in this life. Our goal should always be peace. Amen? At ano po ang kapayapaan? Tandaan niyo po ito ha. Ang kapayapaan ay yung wala kang inaalala. Ang kapayapaan ay yung wala kang sama ng loob. Ang kapayapaan ay yung malinis ang iyong konsensya. Diba? Ang sarap matulog bawat gabi. When you are free from worries, when you do not have any resentment, and when you have a clear conscience. Pagpayapa ka, susunod yung ibang mabubuting grasya. Pagpayapa ka, hindi malayo na magiging masaya ka.